just got done tinkering with my sidecar, but a package came in. So that's going on hold, and I've got to open this thing up. The Vrod supercharger kit, straight out of the UK. Time to go a little faster on this thing. All right, got the kit all unpacked. Man, it's some beautiful pieces in here. Blow off valve, Vortex supercharger. Here's the real pretty stuff. This is the current setup. Vance & Hine competition 2-in-1 exhaust. Pan-in high flow air filter, topless box. Power Commander 5. And as far as performance goes, that's basically it. I guess you'd call that a stage 1. I'll just consider it stock. How Harley should have sold it, but that's the setup right now. All of this will be gone. All right, let's keep going. Alright, I got the new fuel injectors installed. Yeah, the old ones. Now I'm getting ready to do the 5-bar regulator. And then put it back in the bike. There's the original. Not too bad so far. Alright, got the new fuel pump installed. Wired up. Now go back in the bike. I'm starting to make a dent in this. New cover on. Oh look, a little buddy. Got new cover on. I'm gonna leave it with the machine marks in it. I mean, why hide that? It's perfect just the way it is. And if it starts to corrode or something, then I'll start doing some work on it then, but I like that. Maybe even clear coat it later on or something. But got that all straight. The upper plenum's going on, or the lower plenum is going on next. Got it all plumbed up, ready to go. Back at it tomorrow. All right, got the first pulley on. We're gonna put the two idler, or the idler and the adjuster on. Got the top plenum all together with a breather. It's a bit of a mess, but got everything on except for the air filter. Old cooler. Alright, it's getting serious now. Got the power commander out. Laptop. Pull off the map that I currently have on it just in case I ever need to go back. And put on the new base map for the supercharger. And all I got to do is prime the oil system for the supercharger and fire it up. Alright, first fire up, let's see how it goes. Got the whole system all primed. Got the return cracked, so when I see some oil coming out of it, I can tighten it back down. It's a nerve-wracking procedure, but hopefully it goes well. See how it does. All right. Alright, it's working. Man, it wasn't that bad of a process, but that was awesome. It's all working. Didn't have really any issues. As far as the tune goes, he sent me like a base mat. Turn some lights on here. He sent me like a base mat just to get it running. he was upfront about it, and it does that. It runs around town. It seems like under 3,000 RPM before it builds any boost. It'll operate like normal, and then as soon as you get between 3,000 and maybe 5,000 RPM with no load, just trying to cruise, you know, it's breaking up a bit, so it definitely can be cleaned up there in the middle, which the guy at the dyno will do that. Under power, under throttle, building boost, it doesn't skip a beat. It takes off. But overall, the kit was great. The guys at TTS were great. I actually called him because I had a question about the oil system, picked the phone right up, answered my question, gave me a couple more helpful hints. It's just, overall, it was good. It was completely new. I've never done anything boosted before, and it was fairly simple to install. I mean, if you got any kind of mechanical knowledge and passionate, you could definitely do it. But there it is. It's running. It idles. Just need to go get it properly tuned and see what it does.